property and all outside of this here.
Oh, really?
But right here, like I say, as long as you're not tearing up the boat ramp, we don't so much. Like I say, this is St. George. As long as you're not out here being dangerous and everything else. That's different.
Thanks.
That's creative.
Yeah.
Y'all packing up? Y'all been out here for a little while? Y'all packing up and going in, or?
We're done. Yeah.
Well, I just saw you. Pick it up, come over, check them out.
Yep.
What do you put different pulleys on the rear end, or how fast will they go?
Mine does. If I put taller tires, I hit 20. I think 23 one time.
Good,
but right now it's about 16. This one's 14.
I bet that's scary as hell, sitting up that high.
Well, when I put the lift kit on it, it messed up the steering. So when you go fast, now it does this. So I don't go fast anymore.
Right. That's crazy. That's cool. Well,
Thanks.
man, y'all enjoy it and y'all have fun. Be safe. Have a safe holiday.
Yeah, you too.
Perfect. Have a good day. Hey guys,
How's it going?
I don't mind y'all riding or whatever, but we can't be bogging down here.
Okay.
All the water and stuff, it's already a bog hole, and the sheriff does not like that.
Is the trails okay?
I don't mind as long as y'all aren't bogging.
Okay.
Don't spin anything up, y'all are fine.
Sounds good.
Appreciate it, y'all have a good one.
You're welcome.
He's bogging right now. Look at him.
Mhm.
Look at that. I'm gonna prosecute.